In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on LinkedIn. If there's a person you no longer want interacting with you on LinkedIn, the platform gives you a simple way to block them directly from their profile. This can be useful if you want more control over your professional space, avoid unwanted contact, or simply keep your experience more comfortable and focused. To begin, go to your LinkedIn feed. This is the main homepage you see after signing in. And it's a good starting point because from here, you can search for people or access their profile if they've recently appeared in your network or activity. Once you're on the feed, click on the profile of the person you want to block. Make sure you open the correct profile before moving forward, especially if the person has a common name or a similar profile photo to someone else in your network. Taking a moment to confirm you're on the right page can help you avoid blocking the wrong person by mistake. After their profile opens, look for the More button. This is where LinkedIn keeps additional actions you can take on a profile. Depending on your screen size or device, the button may appear near the top section of the profile, usually alongside other options like messaging or connecting. Click More to open the drop-down menu. In that menu, click Report or Block. This option is grouped together because LinkedIn allows you to either report a profile for a specific issue or block the person from interacting with you. If your goal is just to prevent contact, this is the option you'll use to continue. From there, LinkedIn may ask you to confirm your choice before the block is applied. Read the prompt carefully so you know exactly what will happen. In most cases, blocking someone means they won't be able to view your profile or contact you through LinkedIn in the usual way. It's a straightforward privacy tool designed to give you more control over your account. And that's it. Once you've selected the block option and confirmed it, the person will be blocked. If you ever need to manage that later, LinkedIn also provides account settings where blocked users can typically be reviewed. That's how to block someone on LinkedIn quickly and safely.